Good morning. My name is Vidipit. I am currently pursuing a BTech degree from Functional School of Technology, second semester, and in my first semester, I have learned some programming languages like JavaScript, Java, CSS, HTML, and we are currently learning React. And in this video, I am going to show one of my assignments using React. So let me share my screen first. Yes, so my assignment is this. We have to create a web application that helps people to finish any task or create new habits. And take note of to use the most appropriate hook according to my requirement, and use uh, proper from validation, like the user has to add all four values. So to do this, I have already created it. So I'm going to explain my code. So first I created React app by going in my terminal and writing npx create React app and the name of the file. After that, after some time, cd and the name of the file, then npm start, which will create this, which will start the server, and we can see everything we will do in this parent component. So after that, after erasing the return type, I have first created a div and named its class name as big box, and here I have styled it as dot bbox, uh, and bordered and given its border 2 pixel width and solid black color. After that, I have given its width up to 800 pixel and margin auto, which will, so my assignment look like this. So this is the big box. I have given its 800 pixel width, and after giving its margin auto, it automatically set itself into center. Then I have given margin top 50 pixel, which created this gap here. Then I have given border radius 20 pixel, which curves its corner. After that, background color, background image, linear gradient, which created this straight color strip. I have chosen 3 color, red, yellow, and green. That's why it is there. As in my assignment, we have to use the gradient, background gradient. That's why I've used this background gradient as linear gradient. So after that, I've created another div and defined his class name as text, because I have to write. I have written it Habbit Maker inside it. After that, I've created another div and define its class name as box, and inside it I have uh, written the name of the component here, which I am going to create next. And using prop, I have sent this function to this component, which I am going to explain after that. So after that, I have created this component folder and this component Habbit Maker. So let's go to Habbit Maker. After that, I imported use state from React and created another file, style.css, and imported the style.css here. Then created this function, and this by using usted, I have created another variable, habit and to habit, uh, which to habit is a function which will we can usually people uh, named it use to habit, but I have named it to habit. So the variable name is habit and the function name is to habit, and we are using two function, and the default value of this variable is this what is this variable is a object, and the default value of this object is this key what key and empty, and the value of this key is empty, and where key and the value of this key is also empty, and every value of these keys are empty. After that, here I have created a form, and on submit this function will run. I'm going to discuss this later, but inside the form I have created an input. By using input I have created a area which I can write inside, and I have choose a type which to text, and class name to what, because uh, here we have to write what to do. That's why I have used the class name what and id also what. Then I have value habit dot what, because I'm going to take the value from this habit which is right now empty. The default value of this is empty, and on I have, if we write anything on this, then this on change will trigger, and handle change function will run. I'm going to discuss it later. So like that I have created 4 input, and at last I have created a button, save button, and I have given css here, dot what dot where dot y. I have width set the width to 352 pixel and margin 10 pixel, and the font size is 25 pixel because I wanted the letter to be a little bigger, and set the border radius to 10 pixel, so the curve corner the corners will be curved. Then I have set the when, which is the name of its class name, margin 10 pixel, uh, like everyone else, and width 265 pixel because I want it a little smaller because I have to set the save button here. After that, font size 25 pixel like everyone else, and border radius to 10 pixel. After that, the name of the button is save btn, so I style the save btn, border radius to 10 pixel, and which curved its corner, and border color to white, border color to blue, which background color to blue, which set its background color to blue, and color to white, which sets its text to white, and font size to 25 like everyone else, and width to 80 pixel because I want it smaller and fit it here. After that, after that I have uh, after that on if we write anything on this, uh, the on change will trigger and handle change will run. And if handle change run, then as a parameter I have written e here, which will take the event from here, and it will run e dot prevent default, which will prevent the page from refresh itself. And in to habit, it will set first the previous value of habit, and in id it will set e dot target dot id, which will take it from here. So in this case, what is the id? So it will set in the uh, what key, and take the value from here. Whatever we write, it will take its value and set it in this key, in its own key, uh, according to the id. And after that it will update the value of habit and set it inside it. After that, if we click on the button, uh, handle submit on submit will trigger, and handle submit function will run, and it will take e as event. It will prevent the page from refresh itself, and this array habit will run, which I'm going to explain it later. After that, the do habit will uh, uh, everything inside this everything inside here will be erased, because every key will be empty. It will set itself into its default value, which is empty. After that, in this I have created a function array. First I have created a variable const array habit and to array habit by using a use state hook, which is an array. And after that I have created a function array, and use a parameter new habit, and this new habit is coming from here. By using prop, I have sent the function here, and the value of this habit is uh, going inside this array function, and coming here. And it is set inside this by using rest operator. The value is each value is come outside the array, and in the last the new habit is set, and the value of this array is set inside this to array habit, which set the value of array habit. And like this, each time this array habit is updated. After that, I've created a display component here, and here I have already written the display component and passed the array habit as a prop and to array habit. Here I have used the prop and take the function array habit and to array habit. Array habit is a array, and to array habit is a function which can set the value of array habit. So first here I have created a div, and inside the div I have created a table, and name is defined its class name as display box. Then I have created a border of this display box of 2 pixel thick and solid black. After that, I have define its width as 775 pixel, which is if we write anything on this, like what to do, I have to study, and where to study, uh, in a hostel, and why to study, to learn, and when, let's say today's date. So if we save it, as you can see, this is the display box. This uh, this is the display box, and inside it we are writing our task, and I have set the margin to auto, which automatically set itself into center. Then margin bottom to 10 pixels, which creates some distance here, and border radius to 20 pixel, which curves its corner, and background color to black, because uh, wanted to set its background color to black, and color to red, which will set which will set the color of the text white. And after that, I have created a table, mm, which I already explained. Then I have created a table row, and inside the table row I have uh, created 10 table heads. In a single table row there is 10 table heads. uh, there is 5 table heads, and in first table head, what to do is written, which is this: what to do, where to do, what to do, when to do, and remove, and close the table. And here I have already, here we have the array we created previously, and here I've created a variable by using const a new habit, and here I have used a map function in this array, and the first is the element and the second is the index. Inside it I have put everything inside a table row, and given the table row key as index, and table everything I have put inside the table data, which is element dot what, and element dot where, element dot why, element dot when, and the last one is button, everything inside the table data. And if we click on the table data, this arrow function will run, and this delete function, delete function will run, and in its parameter there is a index that of the button we clicked on. This function will run, and after this function will run, this index is passed on this function as a parameter. Then in this function, uh, we have created another variable, updated habit, and the array, I have used filter function here in this array habit, which is an array. The first one is element, we don't need here, and the second one is index of this array of the element. So if this index is not equal to this index, every element of that property we will filter it and put it inside this to array habit, which will set the array habit and update it. And here we are going to show our array habit inside the table, which will align itself because it is table. and table there is 5 table row, and there is 5 table heads in each row. So every time we made anything, like what to do, we have to do assignments where in my room, why, eyes, and when. So each time uh, we submit it, another table row will create it, and each value will be put inside a table data and put and display here. And if we delete it, uh, this function will run, and the uh, this array will get updated by using to array habit, and after that that will display. So this is how I made this. Thank you for watching.